Hey guys, I don't know what happened to my camera. See, it works for my camera, just doesn't work on the Zoom. Okay, anyways, hey, do you guys, with the announcement, I give you guys an announcement on yesterday and today, right? First, you should have the announcement about like the practice exam. Okay, the practice exam from chapter 1 and chapter 2. Okay, I want you guys try on it. Okay, we will have the test on next Tuesday. Okay, so I want you guys try to do it by yourself. And in the announcement here, that's a YouTube video. Okay, that's from my previous class. Watch the video so you guys have an idea how to set up the tutorial exam. Okay, you need to use the Google Chrome and then add the Chrome extension. Okay, and then you need the camera and also you need the speaker. You need to share your desktop while you're taking the exam. So let me know if you don't know how to do it or you try it and it doesn't work for you. Okay, so before next Tuesday, this Thursday, I'm gonna ask you guys one more time. I need everyone know how to set it up with the tutorial exam, and you need to know how to upload your test, combine it into one PDF file and upload in the Canvas. Okay, one more time. If you don't know how to do it, figure out before Thursday or let me know. I will try my best to help you. If you didn't try anything and on next Tuesday when we start the test, if you can't take it, you can't take it. You're gonna get 0 on that test. Okay, so click on log into the Canvas, and then you're gonna see the test 1 here. Okay, test 1, chapter 1, chapter 2. You could see this is a practice test. That's a no credit for it. You don't hurt anything, even though you don't know how to do it at all. Okay, but this is a really good practice for your test 1 on next Tuesday. So I need you guys click on here.
Mom did not commit suicide. Dorothea murdered.
Read those instructions by yourself.
After Dorothea Puente was released from prison,
anyone turn on the speaker?
This is that I had been prosecuting her on. She decided she had to change the way she was doing things. She could not be a kid.
Does anyone watch the video? Okay, so click on the practice test with this instruction. Watch the video from the announcement before you start working on it, okay? So you have an idea what you're gonna do. You do have, I set it up like you do have a 20 times of attempt, okay? I just want you guys to practice. How can you take the quiz on next Tuesday? One more time, you need your camera, like the video camera. You need your speaker. You need to share your desktop. And when you're taking the test, I can't show you one now. I'm gonna show you guys on Thursday because my camera doesn't work right now. Okay, I want you guys try on it. If you see the access code means you didn't set up correctly. So something wrong with your setup. If you see this page, okay, you shouldn't see the access code, okay? Don't ask me about the access code. You don't need the access code to take the exam. Okay, I'm in this page because I can't do the tutorial exam in here. Okay, so you should be able to take the practice test. Again, the practice test, that's a no credit for it, but I want you guys try on it, okay? Do it by yourself. So when you click on it, you're gonna see this one, the practice test. Just click download it. You do have a PDF file and a DOX, the Microsoft Office here. Okay, download it. If you have the printer, print it out and do it on it. This is the practice test for your test 1 on next Tuesday. Okay, I want you guys try to do it by yourself. So all your works and make sure write down the reason to support your equation. Okay, we're gonna do it together on Thursday, but on Thursday we only have about an hour to working on the practice test. We won't be able to cover all those questions. So I want you guys try to do it by yourself first, and then you guys can ask me the question on Thursday. Okay, one more time. If you guys know how to do the practice test, you should be good on the test 1 on next Tuesday. And then once you guys done, you need to convert it, you need to combine it in one PDF file and then upload it in here. Okay, make sure you guys try this step, and then I will chat on it before Thursday. So I'm gonna let you guys know if you do a good job on it or not. Okay, the problem doesn't matter, like if you know or you don't know how to do the practice test. Okay, it's like I want you guys try the exam format. Anyone questions about that one? Okay, good, right? Let me know. Okay, before Thursday, try to submit on it, and then I could take a look for it. And again, one more time, if you don't try on it, something happened on you on Tuesday, you can't take the test. I can't help you either. Okay, either you take it on Tuesday, or you may want to drop that exam. Okay, you don't want to drop the test 1. The test 1 will be the easiest test. Okay, and then second one. Let's talk about the session 2.6 first. So you guys can work on the practice test today. And then we're gonna come back and then we're gonna start working on the construction packet. Okay, session 2.6. Pretty straightforward session for this one. You guys should be able to handle it. Okay. Okay, symmetry and transformations. Session 2.6 notes. Okay, nice symmetry. Okay, nice symmetry. In the figure below, we do have the rectangle A, B, C, D. It's said to have a symmetry with respect to the line L, because each point to the left of the line of the symmetry or the axis of symmetry has a corresponding point to the right. Okay, just like here, when I draw the line L here, this line, we call this as the line of the symmetry. And then you do have the 2 points X and Y here, okay, to the left and to the right. So when I draw the symmetry line here, you could see these 2 lines, they do have an equal measure. Okay, these 2 lines has the equal measure. Has the same idea with the top here. Okay, means like you guys can fold the picture together. Okay, fold the picture together. So you could see this is all the equal measure. And then we call this is the line symmetry. We could do it like vertical, or you could do it like horizontal. Okay, and this line, it will be perpendicular to the line, to the segment AB, XY, and also the BC. It's going to be perpendicular. Okay, first example. We just talked about it. We could have this vertical line symmetry. Okay, and then we do have 2 points, and they do have the equal measure here. So the first example, I want you guys draw this horizontal line M. Okay, I want you guys draw a line. This is horizontal line M here. Okay, try. And then after you guys draw it, I want you guys like name the points here and make sure you will make the equal measure for each part here. Okay, draw the horizontal line here. Okay, you should have the picture like this, right? The line M. Horizontal line symmetry. And then we will find the midpoint here, right? Between the AD and also the BC here. And then we could say, we could add 2 points in here, the R and the S. So you could see they do have the equal measure. And the line M will perpendicular to the segment AD, perpendicular to the RS, and perpendicular to the BC here. Okay. Okay. And then I want you guys to try these 5 letters. Which one has the symmetry, the line symmetry? It can be vertical line or it can be horizontal line. Okay. Does K have the symmetry line?
Horizontal.
Horizontal. Good. Right. We have the K. We could do horizontal. It's gonna be symmetric. How about the S? Yes or no?
No.
No. Good. And the next one that with the V, right? Will be vertical or horizontal?
Vertical.
Vertical. How about the X?
Both.
Both. Good. X, it can be vertical and also the horizontal. How about the Z?
None.
No, right? Good. So this is the line symmetry. It can be like vertical or horizontal. Okay. Point symmetry. In figure below, rectangle A, B, C, D is also said to have a symmetry with respect to a point T. Okay, this is a point P. The point P is determined by the intersection of the diagonals of A, B, C, D. So the diagonal is talking about you could join the A, P, C here or the D, P, B here. So we can have a figure has a symmetry with respect to the point P if for every point M on the figure, there's a second point M on the figure for which point P is the midpoint. So for example, if this is a point P, I could draw the line here. Okay, and these two lines, I have an M and N. And then P will be the midpoint of the segment MN. So they do have the equal measure, MP equal to PN. Okay, MP equal to PN. Okay, if the figure looks like that one, then you could draw the point and get the segment like this way. And P will be the midpoint of these two segments. Then this is the point symmetry. Okay, point symmetry. So you can draw like the diagonal, like maybe D and the B and P here. Okay, draw D, P, B. If DP equal to PB, then they do have the point symmetry. So it can be like more than one line here. Okay. Okay, next one. In the figure below, M and N are a pair of corresponding points. Even though a figure may have a multiple lines of symmetry, a figure can only have a one point of symmetry. So we can have a multiple lines, okay? We could have this line here. We can have this line here, but we only have a one point for the symmetry. Okay, only have a one point. Okay, next example. Think about it. Which letter has the point symmetry?
X.
Only X,
S,
S. Does it?
an N,
N. Okay, think about it. Try to draw a point to see. Okay, so first one, it should be the N, right? This one can be the point symmetry. So I could draw the line like this way, and you could tell this is gonna be the midpoint. Okay, if I have this line here, this point will be the midpoint here. So this line equal to this one. And then the S, same idea. I can have a more than one line, right? Okay, and also the X also, like that one. Okay, this is called the point symmetry. Okay. Okay, try from the letter A to Z, which one has the point symmetry and which one has the line symmetry. Okay, remember I asked you guys to pin out the letter A to Z on canvas. You should have this picture, right? Okay, just use this picture here. Find out which one has the point symmetry, which one has the line symmetry. Sometimes they may have both of them, okay? Just write it down, try. I try to figure out my camera. No, you guys hear me, yeah, still? Let me try one more time, guys.